Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Rituja Sawant. I am from Zeal College of Engineering. I studied in first year IT department.
Hello everyone, I am Suraj Pawar, I Division, and I am from IT department.
Hi, I am Sheikh Sali, studying in first year engineering from IT branch.
Hi, my name is Abhijit Ramdas Moite. I am studying in Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Nare, Pune in first year of Information Technology branch. We are guided by Professor Supriya Patil ma'am. The name of our project is Pencil Sketch using Python.
To run this project, we need Python and OpenCV Python library. As already downloaded this setup, let's start our project. I am using Notepad++ to run this project, in which I already created main.file in this directory. This is our main.file, and this is the image which I will going to convert in Pencil Sketch. Now let's jump into the programming part. As you already downloaded OpenCV library, I am writing here import CV2. Then I will specify variable called image location, in which I will enter my folder image. Then create a file name. The name of our file image is shield, so I will enter it here. We also need to add the extension of that image. Then to check our code is working or not, I have already typed these 2 lines of code. Then save it and go to our directory. In this directory, click on left shift and right click to open PowerShell window in this current directory. Then type here Python space main.py. As you can see, our original image is visible. It means that program is capturing our image. After this, we will have to convert our image into gray. So I already typed these 2 commands, this one and this one. Now open PowerShell again to see gray effect of our image. Type Python space main.py and press enter. As you can see, gray effect is applied to our image successfully. After gray, we have to convert our image into invert gray. For this, I have typed invert gray is equal to 255 minus gray and this command. Now you can see invert gray effect is applied to our image successfully. After inverted gray, we have to convert that image in blur, then in inverted blur, and then we have to divide it in gray and inverted blur. You can see I have already typed these codes to convert our images up to inverted blur. Then to get our final pencil sketch image, I have typed this code. This one. Now let's run our program. Here we go, our final pencil sketch image. To save this sketch in our folder, we have to write this code. Save it and run this program once again. Then go to this folder. You can see our final sketch is successfully saved in this folder. In this way you can convert any image into pencil sketch. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.